Hello, ladies and gentlemen. 19th of December, and let's have a look into the price action of crypto. So today we have a dump. What dump really means? Dump means that Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all crypto is pullback, have a significant pullback. But the pullback can also means a lot of liquidations, especially for futures. So if you have spot, I think nothing happens. You just buy more. If you don't have more money, you just keep it. But if you have futures, you may get liquidated, or that's a bit more problematic. So let's have a look where we are and what we can do with this. High level, nothing changed. That's a full stop. If we go high level 12 months and 6 months, this is how it looks like. Nothing changed, everything green. If we compare Bitcoin on monthly to gold ETF, this is where we are. I was talking about it since 2 weeks, but the price was going only up. But at this stage, we may see it closing, let's say, red one. Red closure month means Bitcoin has started higher and closed the month lower than it started. So that means Bitcoin still could go like to 95,000, for example. Now it's 97. So could still decrease by 2,000. Keep it in mind. In this case, we could have very similar scenario to gold ETF. Dump start January very low, and then Jan, Feb, March, it will be crazy. That means you will have extreme profits if you put the money in the right coins, or not liquidated before that. But this is where we are. So this is a blue box, compared to the gold ETF when it was listed and start trading. And this is the blue box for Bitcoin. Guys, we are going to 1 or 5 million, 10 million by 2034. This is the fact. But the pullback is a standard thing. Look at gold, up, down, up, down. There is a better and worse moments to buy or sell, okay? That's what we are doing here. We had a huge November, so hey, give the time a little bit to pullback, right? Nothing strange, that everything is fine. Even if the ads get destroyed, that's how it's working. So that's the most important information. Next one is the same chart, but Bitcoin on weekly time frame and Ether. Bitcoin already discussed, it can still go easily to 95 or even a little bit lower. Nothing happened, right? Look how much it has increased. So situation can be also similar to this moment. Let's just monitor it. For ETH, situation looks a bit worse and better for the other side. So usually end of the years are Q4 strong for Bitcoin, but weak for Ether. And Ether usually has a very strong Q1, which means exactly Jan, Feb, and March. So now, if you have money, just keep buying Ether. Ether will go at least to next move to 4,600, and then my way higher. Buy Ether. Trust me. Also, you can start to think about the futures at this point of prices, but the price can still go lower. So your liquidation should be, 2,300, bit too low, but 3,000, yeah, it could be. I think that's a good, could be the good stop loss area. When I say liquidation, I mean stop loss area. I don't have to get liquidated. You cannot get liquidated. And the realistic stop loss should be around 2,200, but it can be reached actually. Yeah, I don't know. I don't say you open the futures, okay? What I just want to say is that, it's better to start to think about opening futures here than here, okay? So now it's the moment to put the open orders. You just put the weekly time frame candle buckets, and then just try to open the small positions and see what will happen, right? Ideally, liquidation should be really here, right? Below 2,000, and it means your position is very small, leverage is not that big, you will not be liquidated. There will be some blocks even, right? But 2,300, if you have liquidation then there, it means you have low position compared to your account, and you should be fine, right? You can sleep, you don't have to worry about anything. So that's what I can recommend. You can also take a bit more risky trade, but I cannot recommend it because I did it many times and I was fucked also many times because of that. So it's better sometimes to have a smaller trade, but do have a trade and earn money on it. So the next chart, if we compare the past to the current situation, this is what the gurus are saying, veterans from Wall Street. Compare, you don't know what's happening, look left. So I'm looking left and I see similar price action in the past, which is here. which is different months, but doesn't matter. But that makes sense. There was a price put up, right? It's really recent pullback, but then the next week we could have a price going back to these levels, consolidating, and then up for Q1. So it could be December, Jan, and then Jan, Feb, March. That's what I'm predicting, and I will trade accordingly to this. So remember this chart. Then Bitcoin dominance is going up, but nothing, I mean, it doesn't look bad, good actually for altcoins, because it has broke back the support resistance. Now is everything support resistance broken twice, but that we saw it also before. Okay, so still don't panic. I mean, there is a lot of money flowing to Bitcoin. We all of that know. The king is only one. It's like a lion in the jungle. So yeah, we need to monitor this one. But in any case, the altcoins, there were good opportunities to buy right now. This deal was very good, and we can see the drop of it, because we have like till end of the January, price can still consolidate range, do different things here. So we just need to pay attention to it. Okay, Bitcoin didn't say the last word yet, and that's according to the plan. So that's how the Bitcoin looks like on daily. Nothing to discuss. We spoke about it, and that's how the others looks like. So that's the dominance for others, and that's the crypto cap for others. Both looks shit or not shit. Let me just zoom it out, okay? If I put the weekly, what do you see? So I personally see the chart of Ethereum, okay? It's extremely similar. As I told you, Ethereum is basically having the chart. So like Ether means the others, right? Ether spams, others spams very often. So that's very correlated to each other. And the chart is almost the same. Yeah, so we are dipping. If you look at the altcoins, they are all crashed in a single day. This week is really bad for altcoins. So we should really recover to these 350 billions by end of this or next week, and then coming back here. We go up. We go higher from these levels. If you have money, buy more spot and futures. Yes, I don't know. I cannot tell you. I can tell you, I mean, try to open the longs, but they need to be really small positions yet, okay? Don't get liquidated in the bull market. It's the shittiest thing that can happen. That's how it looks, then, excluding the others, excluding top 10 dominance. Just basically ordinary starts. We have still few months, 3 months out, especially until March, we have up. But you see these candles, this already happened every time in history. We never have a full green candle without a week. We always have a week between the months. And we are coming to the end of the December, so history is repeating. Others to ETH, others to Bitcoin. Nothing changed. That's the same others, different chart, the same idea. We go higher from it. So yeah, don't be scared. Here, when we look at the XRP crypto cap, yeah, it's fucking strong. If we go to ADA, it's, first time we have a guys pullback, Doge pullback, everything else is pullback. It's also very good to review the other altcoins to see where we really are compared to the others. Yes, and this is the chart of Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Look how shit it looks. But look how many times you already saw it in the past. So it's not first time. We are still bottoming out. And yeah, if we look at the candles, like look at the body, it looks like a manipulation here. I mean, this week, we can go still down. What week means we be filled up here, up. So we should really go to 0.356. This way we should close the monthly candle. Yeah, so by end of December it should show more strength, even if the weekend can still go down before that. Yeah, and all the rest is a history. So if you look at the RSI, we have still a lot of room for improvement for ETH. Okay, we are just the beginning. So again, if you have money, I definitely recommend to put some savings, a small saving. You don't have to put everything, so you can sleep well. Don't stress yourself. But Ethereum is a great opportunity buy right now. So that's what I will do. That will be everything for today. Thanks a lot, and talk to you next time. If you didn't subscribe, please subscribe to the channel. We are gradually growing the channel. People are watching more and more. I will do my best to always give you the best insights. And I'm also trading, so that's what I'm trying to give it very practical way, so you can benefit. So subscribe to the channel, give a like, and talk to you tomorrow.